All right, it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's go see what Mother Nature has brought us. Okay, what do you say, Spirit? Oh my gosh. Whoa, what do you think? That's a lot of snow. That is a lot of snow. Last night we lost power around 3:30. No, around midnight. I came down, I covered up the top of the heat pumps. Started the generator around 3:30. Gotta go check that out in a few minutes. That's a lot of snow. Okay, let's see how much it is. Got my yardstick right here. Let's put it in. I need the dog to cooperate. Okay, here we go. Let's see where it stops. There we go. Well, not as bad as I thought. It says 10 inches. It's like all of our plants are going to have to be shaken off again. Let's check the roof out. Yeah. Tell you, I think that's more than 10 inches. Yeah, we're gonna go check out the front road here too. Well, it looks like they made... No, I don't think there's been any plowing at all. Look at how thick those ruts are. Wow. So no snow plows yet. That's unusual. Power lines, you can see how they're sagging. Trees, of course, bowing down and probably was the reason for us having lost power. Well, I'm going to see, but I guess there's no reason to check to see if the newspaper came. Yep. Empty, as I suspected. Well, there's one happy tree at least. He seems to be enjoying the snow. Now, I see the front end of my neighbor's car sticking up. That's good news, because he's the one that normally plows. And he's got a tractor with a front end loader. And if he wasn't here, I'd be doing it all by hand. So hopefully he's here and he'll be able to take care of our driveways again. Okay, well, still some snow blowing, so we'll see. It's supposed to snow until 8 o'clock tonight, so we'll see how much more we get. But anyway, this is Rob and Spirit, and we're signing off for now, right? Right, Spirit? All right. Oh, I think he wants to take a break. All right, we'll see you later.